You don't need to be a pastry chef to make this cake. And the best part, the filling doesn't require cooking. Let's start by adding 6 eggs to a mixing bowl. Next, add 140 grams of sugar. Beat this mixture for about 10 minutes. After that, add 150 milliliters of room temperature milk. Then add 150 milliliters of oil. Now beat for another 3 minutes. Once done, remove the mixture from the mixer. Sift in 250 g flour and a tablespoon of baking powder. Add a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Using a whisk, gently mix until flour is fully incorporated. The batter is now ready. Pour it into a pan lined with parchment paper. You can use butter instead. I used a paper towel here. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 60 minutes or until done. Meanwhile, in a bowl, add 395 grams of condensed milk. Now, let's add 400 grams of heavy cream. Next, squeeze in the juice of about 4 lemons. Now let's mix everything together well. All done. Let's chill it in the fridge with our cake. We'll unmold it, loosening only the sides. Now let's flip it onto a board. Look how perfect this cake turns out, folks. Just remove the paper from the bottom. Using a knife, let's cut this cake in half. Remember, this is a professional grade batter. You'll find this process quite easy. Transfer half the cake to the same pan, lined with plastic. Moisten it with milk, vanilla, and a bit of sugar. Or soak it however you prefer. In the middle, add half of our filling. Place the other half of the cake on top. Let's moisten it again. On top, add the remaining filling. Cover with plastic wrap, chill in the fridge until cold. Once chilled, sprinkle lemon zest on top. Now just slice and enjoy. Look how incredible this cake turns out. It's super easy and simple to make. Try it at home, I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Another quick recipe from Pobre na Cozinha. Big hugs, see you next time, and thanks.